Hello and happy Friday. Last Friday I had this freebie. It was an envelope and we put our yellow ephemera in it, and I thought, oh, it'd be fun to have several of these. One for ephemera and then another yellow one for fussy cuts. Then I thought, okay, well now that I did this in yellow, we need to go back and do the other colors that I've made for the ephemera kit so far. So I have orange, and also recently released the green, and then if we go back a ways, the red and the pink. So there's 4 more envelopes that we can use for our ephemera. All right, so grab these from my coffee shop. I'm gonna go cut these up and let's put them together. All right, I have all the pieces ready. I folded them, inked the edges, and I even glued the envelopes together. And I pulled out some trims and laces that I thought I would add. I've been selling these types of trims in my Whatnot shows on Tuesday nights. I will link below. And there should be a coupon code. Oh, look at this. I'm going to be doing boho kits soon. And I got this gorgeous, like lots of trims from India. Aren't they beautiful? It's so pretty. So I think this would make really a nice addition. And I need scissors. What was I saying? I interrupted myself. Anyway, yes, I am collecting things and making a digital boho kit. I've scanned some things and I'm getting there, and I'm waiting for other things to arrive. Last week we did kind of a snippet preview, so I had a bunch of these trims and little snippet packs, and I'm going to do that again on Tuesday. So like I said, if you're interested in gorgeous trims from India, they're absolutely stunning. Check out Tuesday's show. I can't wait. And I want to make a bow journal. It's been a long time. I think I made a bow? I think I've made one. Can you believe it? I think only one, maybe 2. But I just love the style. Well, now that I put that there, where am I going to put this stuff? And I want my button back here. Here's my little closure. There we go. Maybe tuck this under before it dries. Yeah, that looks good. So you can grab the freebies on the coffee shop. That link is also below. Maybe I put the label up there. So this is pink ephemera. And it's from the pink kit is what I'm going to put in here. And that's that. Maybe we put these back here. Yeah, and you can decide, did I do this one? One of them I thought I did. Yeah, this one I printed on heavier cardstock. It makes the ephemera that comes with the freebie really nice. So that's an option. All right, so there's the front. Glossy accents would be cute on the flower. Okay, so there's the pink one. Like that. These cute little flowers on it. Cute, cute, cute. Green ephemera. I have to remember how to spell it. There we go. It's sticking, it's sticking. Put this There's a little cluster on the front. And there we go. There's the green one. There we go. Pretty. I love these flowers. So pretty. There's cherries. And we'll put butterfly. And the button on the back. Oops. Whoopsie daisies. There we go. And this is orange ephemera. Orange, that really is an N. There we go. Okay, so there's that one. And then we have red. And I love this trim. Isn't that so fun? Oh yeah, it goes that way. Whoops, I almost glued it on backwards. There we go. So cute. Oopsies. Okay, this label. Let me put the button on the front and then put this in the back. There we go. And then this is for, there we go. Okay, so I've loaded them up. Well, sort of. I put some of the ephemera from the red, from the different palette kits that are out. So there's some from the red. I had to find where I put it. And then we have some pink. Of course, like I said before, we could make 2 of these and then have one for fussy cuts and then one for like the journaling cards, the more rectangle types of pieces. So yeah, I loaded them all up with the different palettes. And then as I make more kits, I'll make more of these freebies. And then if you have a box like this, you can put them in and then just grab your ephemera. I think that's just so fun and handy. I love it. I love it. I love it. All right, so you can grab your freebie on the coffee. If you're interested in fun trims and laces, check out Tuesday nights on Whatnot. If you're into minis, Thursday night on Whatnot, or just come and hang out. It's a live video. Hang out, say hi, what's up, and I'll be back next week. Not sure what I'm making yet, but we're making something. All right, as always, have a wonderfully crafty day, and I'll see you really soon. Bye-bye.